This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the device off and removing SIM and SD. This prevents data corruption and electrical shorts. Once done, clear a flat, static-free workspace so small parts won't get lost. Use a suction cup and a plastic spudger to lift the display edge slowly. You want to avoid cracking the frame further. Make sure to keep a small tray for screws and take photos as you go, because those images save time when reassembling and reduce trial and error later. You should disconnect the battery before touching display connectors, because that minimizes short risk. Next, carefully undo ribbon cable latches and lift the old screen free. If adhesive resists, warm the bezel with a hair dryer to loosen it. When seating the new screen, align clips and connectors, then press edges evenly to avoid gaps or pressure points. Make sure to replace any lost foam or shielding and apply 0.5 to 1 mm double-sided adhesive strips in channels, so you reconnect the battery last and then power on to test the display and touch functions. This tells you if connectors are seated correctly. If all good, reinstall screws in the same pattern from your photos and press the frame evenly to restore seals. Make sure to test cameras and sensors as well. If the screen is blank or flickers, try reseating the display cable and check for bent pins. If problems persist, swap in a known good cable or revert to the photos to verify correct connector orientation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.